Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for your likes and encouraging comments on my previous video. Thank you so much. As promised, today I am going to talk about a topic which is very important and essential for each one of us. Yes, today I am going to talk about success principles. You know friends, we all want to be successful in our career. We want a happy, healthy and peaceful life. In my previous video, I was talking about few mathematic formulas. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, and now I am playing with the form. What is the connection? I will explain you. You know friends, there are so many formulas in mathematics. There are so many formulas in physics, so many formulas in chemistry. Every field and domain have their own formulas and principles. Interesting thing about these formulas or principles is they were existing before they were discovered by scientists. And one more interesting thing is all these laws of nature are perfect, meaning they will work same for everybody. If I drop the ball, law of gravity will be applicable. If you drop the ball, law of gravity will be applicable. It doesn't see who is dropping the ball, what is his education, what is his background, what is his nature and so on. Simply law of nature will be applicable. That's why they are very perfect. Same way success principles also, they are natural and perfect. That means they will work same for everyone. When we see somebody successful, we normally think that he is successful because he talks very good, he looks very good, he is from rich background, he has a very good degree from a reputed college and so on. But what we fail to understand is how these principles work. Scientists knew about this law of nature. They have just simply made use of these formulas and invented great technologies to help mankind. I am not going to talk in detail about success principles. We already know success principles the way we know about mathematics formulas. We already know success principles and formulas also. We know that to be successful, one has to be a discipline, one has to be doing hard work, one has to have the right attitude, focus and so many things. Also, you can find lot of books in the market. There are so many very good books are written in the market in the last 20-30 years. You can find them, but I am not going to tell you about that. What I am going to tell you is how to make use of these success principles, and by making use of those principles, how we can be also successful, how to apply these success principles. Thank you so much for watching my video. In my next video, I will come up with more details on how to apply these success principles. Thank you.